Good afternoon, everybody. I'm in the kitchen and I'm making a mess. I'm making some lemon chest bars. So if you like chest bars and you like lemon, now this is not sugar-free. I know stretch. Well, what have I done with my scissors? I've laid my scissors somewhere here and, well, pooey. I guess I'll just open it with a knife. All work the same. First thing we're going to do is make the crust. And I'm using a lemon, perfectly moist lemon supreme Duncan Hines cake mix. Okay? And this is going to be the crust. Then we're going to add 1 stick of unsalted melted butter. Let me get a fork over here. So get this in here. Try to get that around. And 1 egg. And I'm going to break it in the bowl here. And I'm glad I did because there's a little piece of shell. And I saw it. Where'd it go to? But there it is. Whew. Have to watch. Now we're going to beat this up just a little bit. So we can get that eggs through all of it. And we're going to make a dough ball out of this. It should make a pretty good dough ball here in a minute. Now let me get my fork cleaned off. Let me wipe my finger off here just a second. Trying not to get up. I just got through cleaning up all my kitchen. Try not to mess it up too much again. We're going to spray this. This is a 9x13 pan, but this is a shallow pan. It's, well, it's not hardly a 9x13, but it's very close. And I like to make it in this shallow pan because you can get it out a lot easier. You don't tear the bars up trying to get them out. Now, we're going to take this dough. And we want to make sure it's got all the good stuff in it there. Just take it like you're kneading biscuits. Now, good enough. We got a dough ball. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put half of this. I'm going to kind of spread it out a little bit. Make it a little easier to press out. Then you're just going to press it out in this pan and you want to make a lip on it. You want to push it up the side of your pan just a little bit because you're going to put that cream cheese mixture in there and you want it to not get on the pan because it sticks to the pan quite a bit and it will mess up your bars. Now this you could do the lemon lots of different ways. You can even put lemon in the cream cheese if you want to. If you're a lemon lover and you want to put the lemon in the cream cheese, put you about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice or lemon zest in the cream cheese mixture. And I'll show you what I mean about making the lip. I call it a lip. That's what my granny always called it when you run something up the side of the thing. You put a lip on it. I'm trying. I'll throw that eggshell away before I roam around there and mess it up. Now, we kind of want to get it even for it to bake pretty even. Now, there's your lip. See how I've got it going up the pan a little bit? Now, I'm going to pause you for just a second while I get my other ingredients. Okay, we're ready to start on the filling. You need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Get my scissors back out here. And I've had it softening over here in the hot water for about 20 minutes. Then we're going to add 2 eggs to this. Get my eggs out here. Have 2 eggs. Not one to get up there. Now, I've got my oven preheating on 350 degrees, okay? Now we're going to put a little bit of vanilla in this, not a lot, just a tad bit. And we're going to add just a little bit of lemon juice, but not yet, because we don't want to curdle the lemon or the eggs. So we're going to mix this up. Then we're going to add in our confectionery sugar. Now we have 4 cups of confectionery sugar. Usually I only use about 3, but I've got out the full 4 here just in case. I'm going to kind of see how it looks. And if I don't think I need the full 4, I don't use it. Because it's plenty sweet enough. And I'm going to start this slow so we don't blow sugar everywhere. My granddaughter loves regular chess bars. She's not as much on the lemon. She just likes the regular chess bars, what some people call Neiman Marcus bars. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit more of this sugar. And we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice. I'm just using out of the container. And I'm going to use about a tablespoon. Now we're going to mix this up again. Let me taste it. Could use just a little bit more lemon. You have, in order to be a good cook, you have to taste your stuff. Now I'm going to take another finger. That's better. That's better. Okay, now. I don't really think I'm going to put the rest of this confectionery sugar in there. I believe this is plenty, like this. Pretty close to 4 cups anyway. But anyway. Now, right here I have got about 10 thin Oreo lemon cookies. And I have cut them up. I haven't crushed them. I've just cut them up with my chef's knife that I just knocked about half of them off on the thing here today. I've just had a hard day today. Everything I go to do, the devil's trying to aggravate the tar out of me today. And I can't get anything right. But anyway, it'll be okay. He's not going to ruin the day. Now, we're going to put this batter on this crust. And you want to get this kind of fluffy. And it's been so long since I made these. I can't remember how long they bake. I'll have to look. I think it takes about 35 to 45 minutes, I think. So we'll have to look and see. But I'll let you know how long it took. And then if you want the recipe, I can put it on there. It's not really. Now, I'm going to kind of spread this, shake this around to kind of give it even. Now, I'm going to sprinkle these Oreo cookies on the top of it. These lemon Oreo cookies. And part of these are probably going to go down inside the and this just gives another little layer of the lemon flavor and a little crunch. You don't have to put these on there if you don't want to. If you're trying to make it less sugary. Okay, now, there it is. Now I'm going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees. And we're going to bake it for about 35 to 45 minutes. I'm not sure yet. I don't remember. I'll have to look at my recipe. I've just been kind of ad-libbing it right now. But anyway, I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, guys. There it is out of the oven. I'm going to let you look at the crust. Go right around the edges of it here. And right in the center, you can see those crunchy cookies. And it took about 36 minutes to cook. And this shallow pan is plenty deep enough, but it makes it so much easier to get it out of the pan once it gets cool when you cut it into bars. So try use some of these lemon chest bars, everybody. I'm sorry. I'm turning that light off over there. But try use some of these lemon chest bars. If you like lemon, you're really going to like these. So I'll talk to you all later. You all have a blessed night. Bye-bye.